Welcome back. Best pancakes ever that I've made. And I made them on Christmas morning. Give it a try. You won't regret it. Super fluffy, so good. This is what I used. Take a large bowl and you're gonna put in 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. To that, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add all that in the bowl. Then you're gonna whisk, incorporate everything, set it aside. Then you're gonna bring in 1 cup of buttermilk, or in my case, it was 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to become a little bit like buttermilk. And to that, you're gonna add an egg, and you're gonna whisk it really good. Then you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Not hot, just melted butter, room temperature. I melted it in the microwave for a few seconds. Then to that, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're gonna whisk again, making sure everything gets together. Then you're gonna bring in your dry ingredients. And you're gonna mix in the wet ingredients. And you're gonna whisk. You're gonna whisk till it's nicely incorporated, but don't mix too much. You still want it to be a little grainy. Just make sure it's not floury. Everything else will just break up in the pan. I used my skillet, my cast iron skillet. It was hot. Added butter and a ladle full of the pancake mix. It's so freaking simple. It's unbelievable. All these pancakes turned out so good. And since cast iron skillet is new to me, this was like really great. Non-stick. It was just perfect. You're gonna wait till the pancake is cooked on the bottom side. You can check in if you want every so often, but it's quick. It cooks pretty quick. And just flip it and cook on the other side and serve it. Oh my God, it was so freaking good. I made another one, layered it on top. I added some honey and a little bit of butter. And there you have my best pancake recipe ever. It was so good. You have to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And till next time, see you soon.